Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Stars scattered like diamonds on black velvet, each one a giant ball of burning gas light years away. The universe is vast, mysterious and full of wonder. How do we even begin to understand it? That's where physics comes in. Physics is our roadmap to the cosmos. It's the science that seeks to explain the fundamental laws governing everything around us. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, physics helps us make sense of it all. It's a journey of discovery full of awe-inspiring sights and mind-bending concepts. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure. We're about to embark on a thrilling exploration of the universe, guided by the principles of physics. Along the way, we'll uncover the secrets of force, energy, space-time, and even the bizarre world of quantum mechanics. Get ready to be amazed, for the universe is far stranger and more wonderful than we could ever imagine. Simply put, physics is the study of how the universe works at its most fundamental level. It's about understanding the basic building blocks of matter and the forces that govern their interactions. Imagine trying to understand how a car works. You could just learn to drive it, but a physicist would want to take it apart. They would examine the engine, the wheels, the gears, and figure out how they all work together to make the car move. Physics does the same thing, but on a much grander scale. It delves into the heart of atoms, unraveling the mysteries of quarks, leptons, and bosons. It tackles the enigmatic forces of gravity, electromagnetism, and the nuclear forces that bind atoms together. Why is this important? Because physics underpins everything around us. From the technology we use to the very air we breathe, physics plays a vital role in our lives. Understanding physics empowers us to develop new technologies, solve global challenges, and gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate workings of our universe. So, the next time you look up at the stars or marvel at a rainbow, remember that you're witnessing the elegance of physics in action. We've all heard the word force, but what does it actually mean in the realm of physics? A force is simply a push or a pull. It's what causes objects to move, stop, or change direction. Think about kicking a soccer ball. Your foot exerts a force on the ball, setting it in motion. Isaac Newton, a brilliant physicist, developed 3 laws of motion that perfectly describe how forces work. His first law states that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This is also known as inertia. Newton's second law explains how force, mass, and acceleration are related. It states that the force acting on an object is equal to its mass times its acceleration. This means that a heavier object requires more force to accelerate it than a lighter object. Finally, his third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. These 3 laws of motion are fundamental to our understanding of how objects behave in the universe. They explain why apples fall from trees, rockets launch into space, and planets orbit stars. Energy is often described as the ability to do work. It's what makes things happen in the universe. Energy exists in many different forms, such as kinetic energy, the energy of motion, potential energy, stored energy, thermal energy, heat, and light energy. One of the most important laws in physics is the law of conservation of energy. This law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. Think about a roller coaster. As it climbs the hill, it gains potential energy. At the top, it has maximum potential energy and minimum kinetic energy. As it races down the hill, this potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, giving the roller coaster its speed. Throughout the ride, the total energy remains constant, but it's constantly changing forms. Energy is essential for life as we know it. Plants use light energy from the sun to produce food through photosynthesis. We consume this food, converting the stored chemical energy into energy that powers our bodies. Understanding energy is crucial for addressing global challenges such as climate change and developing sustainable energy sources.